Hello everyone, welcome to today's premiere session. So I am making this video for the students who are struggling to get a job in AI or data science, even after learning, building projects, applying for jobs, right? So we are going to talk about something a lot of you are experience if you are experiencing these kind of the problems. If you have ever feel stuck, frustrated, or like nothing is working, you are not alone. Today, I want to talk about why that happens and more important, what you can actually do to fix it. So, have you ever spent months in learning AI, building projects, even applying the 50 or 100 plus jobs on daily basis and still no interview, right? So in this, students get frustrated, right? Especially the students who have recently spent so much money on the boot camps, on the degrees, and they're continuously applying the jobs and no result is coming. I have seen so many talented people lose confidence just because they were not told the truth how this field actually work. Okay, so I am going to break down it into the simple the methods how you can fix these kind of the problems, and when you are learning the AI, what things you should keep in your mind. Okay, so here the first thing is only learning. First, we will discuss about the clear reasons. Okay, like what happened, why the students are struggling, why you are struggling. There are many other students too. You are not alone, right? So only learning. The first thing the student does, the biggest mistake, they are only learning. If they are doing the degree, they are just keep on doing the degree. I have made a several videos on this, like how you can get expert in AI, how you can implement your knowledge, right? But they just become more focused on the academic curriculum. Either they are doing the boot camp or either they are doing the let's say any degree. They are not going to apply it. They only work on the projects which is in their academic curriculum. I can understand you have a lack of time, but if you want to become the data scientist and you really want you get a job after completing your graduation, you should start implementing the things while you are learning. This is very important. So people, what they do, they spend 6 months watching tutorials but never build a real world projects. So employers want the doers. They want who are going to implement the real world projects. They are not looking for just learners actually. If you have done the boot camp, you are showing them this is my certificate. I have done the boot camp from this academy, from this college. I have done the degree. This is not going to give you the job directly, because this is the just help you to get eligible to apply actually jobs. This is you need to understand at this point. Okay. So second thing is no strong portfolio. Having a one or two class projects is not enough actually. Okay. So you need a unique structured projects that solve real time problems. If you have a 2 to 3 projects in your curriculum, you should focus on the apart from this the real time project too. If you need a help, I'm always there. I have already built the video in which I have discussed on which projects you can work on. Okay. And this third thing, student never build their GitHub profile because they thought first I will complete the degree, first I will complete the boot camp, then I will collect the project, and then I will upload it in a one go, which is wrong. They don't have any LinkedIn presence actually. If no one can see your work, it doesn't exist. Build your online presence. This is I have also mentioned in my one of the video. I have made the very detailed video. I will share the link in the chat too. Okay, or in the description box. So applying blindly. They are just whenever they see entry level data analyst opening, entry level data scientist, junior data scientist, right? So they are just searching and applying blindly without understanding what the company really needs. Okay. So this really matters. You know, you have to look at this very carefully. The next is weak communication. You understand the model but can't explain it in a simple terms. That kills the interview actually. This is the biggest reason students are very intelligent. They are at academic level, they have a 99%, 98% right? But the problem is they are not able to communicate about their model, about their work in a clear way, which is the biggest reason of rejection during the interviews, even you are the scholar. Okay, so what you can do about it? Okay, number one, now, like, start small, finish strong. This, follow this strategy. Start small, finish strong. What does it mean? Pick the 2 3 good projects and go deep with the EDA, model tuning, and business insights. This is you need to do. Okay, start with it. Start with this one, and then second, what you can do, create a standout portfolio. Put your projects on the GitHub. I have also built the video on this, how you can build your portfolio on GitHub. Don't upload only the Jupyter notebook. Your README file should be very professional. You can watch my that video. I will share all data science portfolio project list or the videos in my description box. And write the blogs on Medium or LinkedIn. Make a short explainer videos. What it will do, it will help to build up your confidence. Okay, and it will not like help you to reduce your frustration too, because what you have learned you are going to apply, implement it, like reduce your frustration, increase your confidence, and increase the confidence in the eye of like the interviewer too, which is very important. And reverse engineering job post. Pick a 3 job roles you want, identify the common skills, start filling your gaps. Okay, like if you have picked up the you want to become data analyst, business analyst, or data scientist, so pick up those 3 jobs. Wherever you are lacking at some point, just fill those gaps. What skills they are looking for the company, fill those gaps. This is very important. You can note down each and every step I am like sharing in this video in your notebook. Okay, and then practice storytelling. Practice how you are going to explain your project like a story. What was the problem, how you solved it, what the result was. This is the same thing you need to upload on your readme file when you are building your portfolio on the GitHub. Student only blindly upload the notebooks, which is not going to do anything for your job. Okay, recruiter want the cream based students who is very number one, they should have the good academic record. Even you don't have the good academic record, that still will work if you have a strong skills, technical skills. Okay, so second thing, your readme file should look very professional. They don't need even to go in before they are jumping into your code file. They should understand what you have done, what was the problem, and how did you solve it, and how you can improve this model, something like that. The fifth point is network authentically. Connect with the people, ask for the advice, share your learning journey on the LinkedIn. Don't beg for the referrals, earn the trust. What we do, we just looking for the references. We don't try to build over presence, which is very important. This happened with me too in my time. I was continuously looking for the referrals. I didn't even think about it. I should build my presence. This is like I found, I when I started build my presence online, it affects lot on my career. Believe me, because people will start recognizing you. Even if you are at the first year of your degree, and today you are at the first year of the degree, or maybe in the final year, even still there is a 6 months left to finish up your degree. Don't get late. Open your laptop, open your computer, build your strong online presence. Start posting the articles, and don't post the like the messy material. Just post which is very useful for someone. Okay, because online presence doesn't mean you are uploading the data in the bulk. Online presence means your articles, your talk, your everything, your projects, people liking it. Even you upload only one article in a month, that is going to work, but it should work. Okay, and then I will say you are not behind and you are not too late. Okay. You are learning, and that's already more than the just people do. So every expert you see was a beginner. Don't give up because of rejection. Keep building, keep showing up. So today I am premiering this video and I will be available for the chat. If you have any question while watching this video, you can ask me the question. I will share the resources, different resources, and I will answer your all questions if you are facing any problem at any point. Okay. And these, the points which I have shared with you, keep in your mind, keep learning, keep patience, happy AI coding and happy data science, and see you in evening at 9 p.m. MST. You can ask me the question whatever, wherever you are stuck in, wherever you need my guidance. Okay. Thank you so much. See you in the evening. Thank you.